again. Today we're going to learn alternate ways to say on the other hand. If you are a subscriber to my channel, you probably saw all of the words that were on my short. If you didn't, please look back at the short to find some words for on the other hand, because today I'm using those words in sentences. So here's the first one. However, we must consider the implications of this decision. So they're trying to make a decision. There's something that's not quite right, so they've used on the other hand. However, we must consider the implications of this decision. In contrast, the alternative approach offers a unique perspective. In contrast, a different approach offers a unique perspective. So maybe they've talked about something that's quite similar, but they've realised they can talk about things quite differently if they use on the other hand, in contrast. Conversely, one could argue for a different solution. Conversely, to converse is having a conversation, but if we use it as on the other hand, use it as an adverb. Conversely, one could argue for a different solution. Okay? On the contrary, there is another side to this argument. So maybe they're having two-way arguments, pros and cons of an argument, and one of the gentlemen steps in and saying on the other hand. On the contrary, there is another side to this argument. So there could be three ways. That being said, we should explore a different angle. So if there are three ways of this conversation going, three different points of view, that being said, we should explore a different angle rather than argue about all three. And that being said, it's time to finish my lesson today. I really enjoyed this, just a little short lesson today, just using those on the other hand words in sentences. If you can think of any more, type them in the box below and I'd love to read them. Okay, thanks so much for watching today. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, and if you do want more videos like this, subscribe. You're missing out. See you again soon. Bye.